Hello, welcome back everyone. So today I'm continuing my garage shop update. This is the third phase, I guess. Going to be installing some little cabinets here that are hanging on the wall. A couple other things, but most importantly, we're going to do the compressor and hook it up to the plasma cutter. And we'll get a first cut on our plasma as well. Two shelves. Probably not going to hold that much weight, but just put some supplies in there. Maybe some spray cans of paint, I'm not sure. Oh, and I put up two of those. Right here I'm putting up this sheet of plastic. It's actually one of those, I guess, kind of old style light covers that you'd find like in an old kitchen or something. But I'm going to use this to stick all of my like maker creator stickers that I've gotten in different swaps and whatnot. Plasma cutter, which is the Lanewar Systems Crossfire Personal Plasma CNC table. It requires a computer to run, and I also have an X-Card which I'll be building here soon. Both of those require a computer. So I'm setting up this little computer shelf arm thing. It'll hold the keyboard and mouse as well, and it swings around and can go up and down and all that, and should be pretty good for my needs. I can move it in any direction, so depending on what CNC I'm using, I should be able to fix it. And this little bracket is to hold my Mac Mini, which I'll be using to control the CNCs, and you know, to watch YouTube videos and movies and some stuff. So yeah. This whole area here is getting a bit crowded, so while I didn't film it, I did move things around, which gave me some workbench space. Since the compressor is running on 220, they usually don't come with their own plug, so you gotta make one. It's not too complicated. You just follow the instructions, make sure you put the wires in the right place, and you're good to go.
compressor hoses. One hose is going to go to the plasma. The other hose is going to go, it's actually going to connect to another hose up on the ceiling that I can pull down and use for an air line or for an air tool. I hope you can hear me all right because I am pretty close to the AC running. So right off the bat, I have this package. Got it from Home Depot. This will connect to the compressor. Put this on straight. That screws into there. That screws on like that, and that way the air is on, air is off, and then that way whatever hose is connected to here, for whatever reason, I can have this kind of like an emergency shut off if I need to replace that hose or whatnot. And then
No, and then. No, and then. No, and then. No, and then.
I have some quick connects.
I have a long, like 50-foot hose that I was able to cut off a section here to run from the shutoff valve to the filters. And I'm just attaching it here. That was the emergency shutoff valve. This right here is the air regulator and filter, so I can control to whatever PSI I want to come out of there. And this is a desiccant filter system. It does water vapor and keeps oil out of the airlines. And this is the splitter that will create the two lines. And you can see right here, one of the lines will lead to the back of the plasma cutter.
Alright, finally got all my software set up. I got all the hoses for the compressor set up. I got the plasma trigger setup for the Crossfire. Got my USB set up so I can move the torch handle. I loaded in a test file of mine, which is going to be my logo. Going to make like a stencil, Jimmy DiResta style, and I'll do my first cut. So yes, I am running Windows on a Mac just for this one little application. So here's my image. You can barely see it, it's kind of small, but it's my logo with a rounded edge kind of around it. So right here, I have no idea why the plasma kept firing here. Should have turned off right away. There's a couple other things I'll point out a little later that it did wrong. As you can see in kind of the center of where the two circles connect, the plasma kept firing and it should have stopped, and because it kept firing it cut a line right through it. Same thing as going through the top of the stem to the right leaf. It cut right through there on the bottom as well. Not to mention that the starts, the little lead-in parts, seem to have been on the wrong side, even though I told it to be on the other side. So not sure why that was like that. Other than that, I mean, for first cut, I mean, it cut pretty well. Not so much dross, as they call it, which would be like little bits of metal you have to clean off on the other side. All in all, the cut was actually good. It just didn't do it correctly in the right place anyway. So other than the fact that those little minor things, well, I guess they're not minor, but I'm still calling this a success. It could be better, but it's not bad for a first cut. And I've never worked with plasma before or anything, so. If you're watching this and you have the Crossfire with the Razor Well 45, hit me up, give me some suggestions, let me know what you think. Share this with your friends, leave some comments. So remember, like, subscribe, and as always, until next time.